You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary, many get wrong, so stay tuned to the channel and become part of the community. Soliloquy, stress on that second Lee syllable. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar, so it's easy once you know. Soliloquy, a monologue addressed to oneself, essentially when you talk or a character talking to himself or herself, especially in a play or when you talk yourself to yourself. Soliloquy. And now you know it all, I think. Let me know in the comments if that makes any sense. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.